What's up, guys? In this video, I think we're gonna get around to putting in some kill mat into the Camaro today. Hopefully I can get it all done before I'm out for the day. Don't know if I'll actually get the interior in this thing, but it's a friggin' mess around here. But yeah, I'm gonna work on that, and then depending on how long that takes, might even get to continuing some prep for the Pour 15 under here. I finished doing the seam sealer yesterday. You can see underneath this thing's just a freaking mess. But yeah, I'm gonna get to that. Probably throw in a quick little time lapse, and hopefully it goes smooth. What's up? So we got all of the sound deadening put in here after that little time lapse or whatever. It's definitely doing a lot better than how it was without the sound deadening. I'll post a couple of clips of like a before and after, but it definitely keeps down the rattle and whatnot. So I'll throw that in right here. But otherwise, not too much going on, I guess. I got a bunch of parts in this last week. So we got door seals, window seals, new carpet. I got a deal for the HVAC because I'm not going to be running heat or AC. So I went ahead and removed the HVAC box, and then I got a little plate that's gonna sit right over that, nice stainless steel, and then that'll give us some extra clearance for the motor and whatnot. I've got to replace motor mounts. Those are a little bit worn out and they're pretty cheap, so might as well throw some new ones in. But yeah, hopefully start kind of getting the car put back together, get the motor in. I still got to rebuild the trans. And then yeah, this car should be coming along pretty soon here. I'm hoping to get it ready by like mid-April at the latest, because I wanted to start bringing it to the track and whatnot, and they open beginning of April. I also just want to have it to drive during the springtime and kind of work out any of the bugs. I don't have it here, but I also ordered my HB tuners kit, an AFR gauge, I think some other stuff too, but that's the majority of it. So I think I'm probably going to close it out for this video, and then maybe make something else where I do like the carpet and the other interior stuff. But for now, that is it. So peace. I'll see you later.